Good evening from Washington, D.C., and thank you to those of you joining us from around the world for news from a Catholic perspective. I'm Lauren Ashburn. President Donald Trump says Congress must make fundamental changes to the sweeping health care law passed by his predecessor. He said it during a meeting with governors from across the nation. Correspondent Wyatt Goolsbee joins us with more. Wyatt.
Lauren, President Trump says his administration, working with Republican leadership in Congress, has come up with a replacement for Obamacare. He calls it a solution, but up to now, he's yet to provide any specifics.
We're going to change it and straighten it out.
President Trump tells health insurance executives he will unveil at least part of his plan to replace Obamacare in his primetime speech to Congress Tuesday night.
I think you're going to like what you hear.
And the president's first major meeting with governors comes as Congress prepares to move forward on a repeal.
We have come up with a solution that's really, I think, very good. Now, I have to tell you, it's an unbelievably complex subject. Nobody knew that health care could be so complicated.
Replacing Obamacare is part of a larger plan to overhaul the federal budget.
And it will include a historic increase in defense spending to rebuild the depleted military of the United States of America at a time we most need it.
The president says he will provide details on the health care repeal tomorrow.
I hope that we see a tremendous amount of support for the president and his policies and his vision tomorrow night. He recognizes the problems that our nation faces, but he also charts a vision forward.
President Trump and Vice President Mike Pence are giving House Speaker Paul Ryan and Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell a preview this afternoon.
The president also promising to have a, quote, big statement on infrastructure, rebuilding nation's roads and bridges specifically, in his address to Congress tomorrow night. Lauren?
Wyatt, can you tell us how much of an increase President Trump is planning for the defense budget?
Lauren, Trump's budget includes a $54 billion increase in defense spending. That's the idea here, is to counter that or to offset that with a $54 billion decrease in spending in other programs, including foreign aid. We expect to hear more details, including what programs that would be, tomorrow night as well. Lauren?
Wyatt Goolsbee reporting from the White House. Thank you, Wyatt.